Hola gardeners. Today I wanted to share with you guys my setting for my ceilings and where I plant my seeds and what I do all my seed planting and everything else. So here to your right you're gonna see my table, and that's where I put my soil and I plant the seeds in it. And that table I made it myself. I made it myself with pallets and pieces of wood from the fence that were, when we built the fence, that they were laying around. I attached it with those metal plates, so that way I made the legs longer, because I wanted to do it like waist high, so that way I don't have to be bending. But you can see it, I just recycle everything, and it was a piece of wood, and that's how I made it. Then the tray, or I mean the rack over there, I made it with pallets too, and pieces of wood that were laying around, and I kind of like reuse everything. I put it together. Then if you see in the bottom, I put some wheels, so that way I can move it around. You know, if it is too hot or whatever, I can get it outside to get some sun. But it doesn't have to be that complicated. It just doesn't. I mean, you watch these videos in YouTube and they come out with some fancy lights and some fancy equipment. And if you live in Florida, you don't need it. Honestly, you don't. I wish I would have known this when I started gardening. And this is for like beginners, gardeners that you want to start doing it. Don't get overwhelmed, because it doesn't have to be. I'm gonna show you guys right quick. I mean, everything that I did, and like I say, I did it myself. So this is what I do my planting. I plant everything here. You see, it's my way, so it's nice and easy for me. And then here, this is the 2 LED lights. I think I got it at BJ's for like $14, 2 of them. And then they come with this nice the chains, and then I put some hooks on the outside in both sides, and that way I can do the chain. And then if I need to lower down, all I need to do is just unhook it and then lower down to whatever height I need it when I need it. Because sometimes you know, you're growing and your seeds are little, so you want to get it as close to the light as possible. But this was 2 of them. I put down the side, and that's it. Then if you wonder about these gelatins, I have it for the fungus gnats. When you do anything in your garage or inside your house, you can get an infestation like that, crazy. And then they will eat your ceilings, and they are a pain to eradicate them. So it's better to be proactive, that, you know, fix the problem after you already have it. And then here I have the heat mat. I bought those Amazon. I got 2 of the big ones, and that way I can keep my ceilings warm. And you see it, guys, it's not that crazy, it's not that expensive, it's not that bad. So if you are a beginner and you're gonna start doing your seeds and you're gonna start doing your settings, this is it. Everything around the house, some pallets from when I bought the tile for the floor in the house, some pieces of wood that when we built the fence, and that's it. Nothing fancy, but it works. If you live in Florida, you don't need that crazy equipment. It's not that complicated. So I'm just trying to share everything that it comes to my mind, that it can help anybody that just starting to gardening, because it doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be that expensive. I wish I would have known this when I started gardening, because I spent money that I didn't have to. But I try to share my knowledge, my experience, my wins and my losses, so that way somebody else can learn and somebody else can benefit of it. As always, thank you for watching. If you guys find this content useful, give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know anything or about any specific subject, put it in the comments so I can check it out and I will look for it. And as always, keep on planting, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye now.